are going to love the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, traction control, backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, floor mats, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.